I bet you didn't know about these exclusive private island getaways. Today, we're diving into the ultimate luxury travel experience, where paradise becomes your playground. Let's explore some of the most unique private islands and discover what they have to offer. First up, Necker Island in the British Virgin Islands. Owned by Sir Richard Branson, this lush retreat boasts pristine beaches, luxurious villas, and unparalleled service. Book well in advance and consider sharing the island with a group of friends to split the cost and make it more affordable. Next, Musha Cay in the Bahamas. This ultra-exclusive island offers total privacy and seclusion, with only a few guests allowed at a time. Indulge in gourmet dining, personalized service, and endless activities, from snorkeling in crystal-clear waters to exploring hidden coves by kayak. Moving on to Laukala Island in Fiji. This eco-friendly paradise features stunning villas, a championship golf course, and a world-class spa. Take advantage of the island's sustainable activities, like organic farming tours and marine conservation programs, for a truly enriching experience. Now let's talk about North Island in the Seychelles. Known for its breathtaking beauty and conservation efforts, this island offers exclusive access to nature reserves, pristine beaches, and rare wildlife. Opt for a private villa with a dedicated butler to cater to your every need and ensure a truly indulgent stay. Last but not least, Fregate Island Private in the Seychelles. This eco-friendly sanctuary is home to rare species, lush forests, and stunning beaches. Explore the island's conservation initiatives like turtle monitoring and tree planting to connect with nature and leave a positive impact during your stay. Whether you're seeking romance, adventure, or relaxation, Exclusive Private Island Getaways offer the ultimate luxury travel experience. So why wait? Start planning your dream escape today and make memories that will last a lifetime.